Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to unbox and review the Anker Zolo Powerbank, which I purchased on amazon.co.uk. As usual, I'll leave links in the description to where you too can purchase this powerbank, and keep an eye out for special offers, because this is often heavily discounted from its recommended retail price. Anyway, the Anker Zolo powerbank comes in Anker branded packaging, which is refreshing compared to some other powerbanks which come with sort of generic packaging with no branding whatsoever. And packaging is fairly simple to open. Once you slide out the main tray, you'll have essentially just the powerbank itself. And let's see if there's an additional cable. Yes, there is. So there is in this case, a USB Type-C cable to USB Type-C. And then in here we have the powerbank itself, which is in a plastic bag. I'll just pull that out. Now, the highlight of this powerbank from Anker is the fact that it has its USB Type-C cable built in, and I can unplug that here. So what this does, it gives you the facility to not have to carry a separate cable, which means you can plug this into your phone charger, or you can plug it directly into your phone to charge it. As we can see, the front has a bit of an Anker branding here with its little lightning in the A. The USB Type-C cable is pretty straightforward. It's got a white ending to it. There is a separate IQ in and out USB Type-C port, which means you can use the included cable to charge another device if you need to. And then a few little details here on the back. Now, Anker promise that you should be able to charge an iPhone 15 from 0 to 57% in just 30 minutes. That's because it has fast output. We'll need to put that to its test. Just to check and see what the LCD panel on the front looks like, I'm going to plug it into my Xiaomi 14T Pro. And is there a power button to get that on? No, there isn't. So interestingly, the Xiaomi 14T Pro does not seem to like this Anker powerbank. It might need a bit of a charge, that's probably why. Let's just verify this with another quick device I have lying around here. Yep, it's probably needing an initial charge, so we'll put this on charge and put it through its paces. And as I said earlier, I'll leave a link in the description where you can check this out on amazon.co.uk. It is an affiliate link, so if you do click on there, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. Pretty much the same way you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks if you were to like and subscribe this video. But anyway, I'll be back in a moment for you, but after some actual testing with this powerbank to give you my review. Okay then, I'm back, and after 6 months of using the Anker Zolo powerbank, I'm very, very happy with it. It charges my Google Pixel, my iPhone 17, and a whole slew of other devices in my pockets, with the USB-C cable included at fast speeds. Now obviously the speeds you'll get will depend on the device you're charging, the temperature conditions you're in, and the level of charge of the phone or device you're charging. So it's not a consistent thing, but I've had no issues with it, and it has consistently been able to fast charge all of the devices I plugged into it. The more I used it, the more I also checked in on the instructions on the Anker website. And one interesting feature that it has that I wasn't aware of when I unboxed the powerbank was the fact that it has a trickle charge mode. Essentially, when you double tap the power button at the side of the device and plug it into your smartphone or earphones or whatever you're charging, rather than give it a fast charge, which is less efficient, it gives it a trickle charge. It's ideal for situations when you're, say, in a hotel that doesn't have a plug near the bedside table, you can use this to trickle charge your device and do so more efficiently whilst creating less wear and tear both on your smartphone battery or on your device battery and the Zolo Powerbank. So really good feature there. You can also use the USB-A port on it to plug in a compatible cable, so very useful if you have any unfortunate friends or family who have, say, a lightning device, so one of the old Fruity brand ones. And overall, the power indicator seems to be pretty accurate as well. The digital LED screen on the front of the device does its job as expected. So in travel situations, I've used this traveling across Europe, the UK, and I even took it to Peru with me, and it did a good job. So this is definitely a thumbs up for me. As usual, I'll link in the description to where you can purchase this on Amazon UK as well. Now, the recommended retail price is around about £20 sterling. But if you're on a day like today, like Black Friday, you can pick this power bank up for less than £15. So really good deals out there. For less than £15, this is quite the buy. But I would be happy to pay the full price if that were the case as well, and I needed a power bank. So, yeah, Anker Zolo, a great power bank, thumbs up from me, and definitely works well in most travel situations. I would say there's only 2 features that could be added to it and probably are present in other power banks from Anker. MagSafe or Pixel Snap, whatever the magnetic standard is, that would be a nice little addition, and maybe having the cable stick out a little less. Sometimes that can be a bit of a hindrance in your pocket, but very useful feature nonetheless. We hope you've enjoyed this short review of the Anker Zolo power bank. I'm very happy with it. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.